told me I could pop off like this? Like, who told me?
What's up, YouTube? What's good? Hey, new people. How you feeling today? My name is Zoe, aka Zozosolit, and welcome to my bathroom. Again, a lot of my content just be in the bathroom. Sorry. If you've never seen my face before, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I'm trying to hit 5K, and it would just help me so much, like, if you just hit the subscribe button. So I'm gonna give you a moment to do it. Don't make this awkward, just do it. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a cool get ready with me for a date night. So yeah, I never really did nothing like this before, so I'm kind of excited about it. I did makeup videos before, but never like a get ready with me for a specific occasion. I'm gonna pull my hair back and let's get started. So before I put on primer, I'm gonna moisturize my face since my face be insanely dry. Alright, then I got this e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. This one really smooths out your pores if you have huge pores like me. Whenever I do a full face of makeup, I actually start off with my eyes because I don't want there to be any fallout from the eyeshadow because I'll be able to clean it up. So I'm going to start off doing my eyebrows first. I love using this e.l.f. eyebrow. It's called the Instant Lift Brow Pencil. I use it in the color Neutral Brown and just fill in my eyebrows a little bit. I'm going to grab my concealer. I have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the color Soft Beige. This is like kind of close to my skin tone, if not like a little bit lighter. Y'all, I really need to clean my brushes. I'm getting so bad at that. Like, that's probably why my face has been breaking out a little bit. I'm gonna actually do that after this video, so don't judge me, okay? Okay, so after I do my eyebrows, I'll do like a little bit of concealer on my eyelid. And I use this as a primer for my eyeshadow. Y'all, literally doing this one step has like made my eyeshadow come out just way more pigmented. Makes it blend out way better. Just so good. You're gonna wanna set it with some translucent powder. I have this one from Revlon. Most of the products in here are drugstore products, except for like a few, but most of it drugstore or hair store. And for my eyes, I like to do a nude look. Getting you a really good nude palette is gonna help out a lot with this. This one called Topaz Nudes by Ruby Kiss. It's a simple one from the hair store, but it has a lot of really good nudes in it and shimmer shades. So I'm gonna, I'm gonna grab this middle color because it's closest to my skin tone. I'm gonna do it like right under my brow bone. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna grab a brown, this one, and I'm gonna use this to go on the outer, kind of like in the same area where we put that, but it's gonna be in the crease. And then I'm gonna grab that other brush and go back into that light shade that I had, kind of just blend them together because it's looking a little harsh. Ooh, your girl is getting hot with all these ring lights. Oh, alright, now I'm gonna get that same brush and grab this deep brown right here. We're gonna kind of like put this in the outer corner. That's words, thank you Zoe. The outer corner and like kind of keep it right there. Just want to darken it up a little bit. And if it start like smudging a little bit under your eye, like don't worry about that. That's why I said we do the eyes first, then we can clean it up later. Just trust the process, okay? Now that we're done with that, I think we should do a little shimmer shade. I'm gonna go in with this like gold, kind of pinkish shade. But I'm gonna get a flat brush to do that. Get some setting powder. Make sure it's coated well. Next next thing we're gonna do is eyeliner. I have the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Ooh, say that 10 times fast. So also what I'm gonna do is grab this black pencil eyeliner and kind of just do it like under near eyelashes and stuff, just to give it some more like depth and stuff. I have these, don't remember the name of them, but I just remember I got them from Walmart. It says 681 if that helps anybody. I don't think it did, but let me just put these on off camera. Lashes are on. Something I like to do before doing foundation, I get my concealer and like if I just have any pimples or something, just cover that up. That's drying. I'm gonna wipe off a little bit of this eyeshadow. It's just looking a little crazy right now. Now we're gonna blend in that concealer. Let's get a little beauty blender. Now I'm gonna actually give y'all the real tea if you have really oily skin. So what I do, I get a little bit of setting powder after I do that. You want to spray with some setting spray and then do your foundation. It's gonna be a huge lifesaver to y'all because me, girl, be having super oily skin. So I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in the color 332C. But honestly, you don't have to use an expensive one like this. I just wanted to try something new. This was actually a gift to me. I got on my birthday last year. Definitely don't have to use like a $40 foundation. Some of my favorite ones are Wet n Wild have some good ones. The Maybelline Fit Me, really good. I think Revlon has some good stuff too. So you don't have to use all this, okay? I'm filming right now. Alright, so I'm gonna use that same NYX concealer and do it underneath my eyes. So I have the Revlon Color Stay powder. You can use this or a translucent powder, it really doesn't matter. We're gonna move on to contouring. So I use this contour out of this e.l.f. little palette thing. Child, this is ghetto. This is so ghetto. I'm keeping it real with y'all though, so gotta appreciate that. And I'm also gonna go in with that same brush and do a little bit of the blush from this palette as well. I'm gonna get some of that same contour. Get you an eyeshadow brush and dip it in here so we could contour our nose a little bit. On to highlight, we got this one from Milani, Day Glow. It's number 2 shade. I like to do the bridge of my nose and the tip. Also, my, what they call this, Cupid's something? Something, I don't know. Of course, the cheekbones. There we go, and then excess. Do it in the middle. I think the last thing is lip. I'll show y'all a little hack because I'm not a big lipstick person. Not saying I don't like it, but I just need good recommendations. I have this Morphe 3503 palette, and y'all, when I tell y'all I be doing this so much, like, it's a real lifesaver. Really beautiful palette, just love it. I'm gonna grab, the name of it is Savage. This shade right here.
Okay, so I actually wound up not even liking this shade. I actually wound up using the one next to it, but I'll still show y'all the process.
Y'all can see that. And I'm gonna get like a little small flat brush, and we're gonna use that as a lip stack. Kind of just like line my lips with it and fill it in like that.
Okay, y'all, so I had to switch to my phone because my camera decided to die on me. I just basically put that all over my lips and then put a little bit of a gloss over it, and it created like the perfect nude lip. That's what I'm saying. Like, It's just so cute. I don't know if y'all have a recommendation that's like this color or a little bit lighter. Let me know, because I really do want to get into some lipsticks. But let's get into the hair. For hair, I was thinking something like a half up, half down, like with a little bang moment. I think that would be really cute. Should I swoop it like this or keep it down? I've decided I'm gonna swoop it back like this. And the last thing to do with this would be to do my edges, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, and hair is done. I'm about to go change real quick and show y'all the final result. Hold up, cause who told me I could pop off like this? Like, who told me? Who told me? Who told me I could pop off like this? Like, hold on, I gotta show y'all the whole fit. I feel like this is not doing it justice. Okay, so I got on this long black dress. It's just so cute. And these shoes, they're like lace-up shoes. Just so cute. Oh my goodness. Like, look. Oh, that's my dog. Say hey, Seth. Say hi. I also want to say that I was true to what I said in the title. This is an affordable date night look, okay? Earrings from, I think, Misguided. It was like, I think like $5. Dress and shoes. Plato's Closet. Yes, ma'am. Plato's Closet. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you out. If you got like a date night or like just, you know, special night of it coming up, you don't have to spend buku money to look good. Oh yeah, I'm from Louisiana. Buku, French for a lot. You don't have to spend a lot of money to look good, okay, sis? Or bro, or whoever. I got you. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, especially if you still watch it right now. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.